Hi, my name is Felipe, and I am not excited about today. You see, my cousin Dulce is coming to town, and my mom put us in charge for my brother's graduation party so we can bond. So yeah, fuck me, I guess.
Hijo, ya me voy. Dulce's here.
Mom, why can't I just get
Ya, Felipe, that's your cousin. I don't want to hear any more complaining.
this? She's just so... Why can't I just get the stuff ready by myself?
Because you're going to need help getting things ready for the party. And this will be a good chance for you to bond with her.
Or to get her out on bond.
Felipe, why would you say that? I can't believe you said... Who would say something like that? She's changing.
Uh-huh.
Okay, she's coming. Stop.
Okay, who's ready to shake some ass and pop some pills? I'm kidding, I'm still on parole.
Alrighty, well, I'm gonna get going now, mijo. I left all the instructions for the cake on the kitchen counter. Don't forget that the party's at 8 p.m. tonight. And don't open the door for anyone.
Alright. See you later.
Ay, Dios mío, chinga. Okay.
Hi, my name is Dulce, and my favorite things in the world are sex, drugs, and rock and roll, baby. Okay, I'm kind of the shit, I'm not gonna lie. Everyone wants to either be me or be with me. I just got it like that, I guess.
Do you smoke?
Not cigarettes, but I be blazing, you know?
Are you sexually active?
Huh?
Are you sexually active?
What do you mean by active?
Are you having sex?
Well, I mean,
How long has it been since you had sex?
2 years?
Damn! You don't get no bitches.
Well, I wasn't pursuing any bitches, so.
Yeah. 2 years couldn't have been me.
Me and Felipe are super close. He looks up to me a lot. We have matching tattoos! Well, he doesn't have his yet, but he said he was gonna get it one day.
Dulce means candy in Spanish for those of you who don't know. Dulce was named after her mom. Well, after her mom's stripper name, actually. Okay, you have belly shots, drip twister, shooting craps, pin the tail in the graduate. In the graduate?
Yeah.
Real or fake titties edition. Coke in the bathroom. Why would we drink our soda in the bathroom?
Oh, I don't know.
Sausage fight?
Oh, fuck, that's actually not supposed to be on there. Don't worry about that.
Okay, you know we're not playing any of these games you suggested, right?
Oh, Tony's here.
Tony?
Yeah, he's from my band.
Which one, Dracula's vagina?
No, I'm in between bands right now. He's from Piercing the Scrotum.
But my mom said no one's supposed to come over.
It's fine. He just dropped me off some cookies maybe last week for my birthday.
Hey, hey!
Oh, I'm sorry. Was I supposed to know?
Yeah, don't just come into my house.
My bad, my bad.
Go!
Hey, brought your cookies.
Dulce is everything I aspire not to be. You know when you hear about people and you're like, how did they lose their money to this pyramid scheme or how they accidentally join a cult? Ask Dulce, because she's done both multiple times. My mom said no one's supposed to come over. I'm gonna get in trouble.
She's not gonna know. It's fine. Damn, these cookies are good as fuck. You want some?
What kind are they?
Chocolate chip?
Do we do the balloons ourselves or with the machine?
What?
Do we do them with the machine or no?
Do what?
The things, the machine.
Like a robot?
Huh? You need need to do the. You have to.
Bro,
What?
you have a fucking tail.
What?
You have a fucking tail sticking out of your ass.
No, I don't.
It's right there in the ass crack, bro.
Oh, fuck.
What?
Look in the mirror. You're a fraud. Dulce, what was in those cookies?
Nothing. They were just regular cookies.
Tony made them for you?
Yeah.
Wait. Is this Tony? The drug dealer Tony?
Yeah, but what does that have to do with anything?
Are you fucking dumb? Call your friend right now.
Tony,
What up?
were the cookies you gave me edibles?
Yeah. Why I didn't tell you?
No.
Dulce, what the fuck?
I didn't know.
What happened?
Bro, we ate like 10 cookies each.
Oh shit. Yeah, I was gonna say this is the strongest strain I've ever tried in my life. You guys are fucked.
You fucking idiots.
Get off me, stop.
Oh no,
How do we get up?
I forgot. I think we're stuck here forever now.
I think the house is sinking.
We need to get up.
We have to use our minds.
What?
We have to use our minds to lift our bodies off of the ground. No.
No, I'm not getting in
No,
trouble.
you can't tell your mom. You can't tell your mom. I think we can still get the party together. I think we can still get the party.
She's gonna know.
She's not gonna know. I think we can get it together, but please. You can't tell your mom, okay?
Want to know if you want to take it slow. Oh, hop up on my jet and roll to Tokyo.
Oh shit!
Would you stop breaking cups? We're running out of them. Stop missing the table.
The table keeps moving.
Why is it not working?
It's backwards.
I don't know what the question was, but yes.
I think we should have like a dance competition at the party.
That's a really good idea.
Thank you. I'm smart. I was abducted by aliens before. And you know what? I don't feel like hiding it anymore.
You know what? I believe you.
We bust bitches. Fuck 12. Fuck stitches.
Make it say, congratulations on your PhD. Why they choose such a hard thing to write?
Grab the eggs.
Do you think the water went inside my hands? Because I can really feel the water. Oh no!
What?
I think my titties fell off. I can't find them.
They're still there.
Oh yeah.
You know that's the sugar I spilled, right?
Of course I knew. I was just kidding.
The cake's done.
Yay! I love cake. Congratulations on your PhD. Congratulations on your PhD.
Okay, here they come. Play it cool. Maybe they will know.
Hijo, your brother's here.
I don't think anyone notices.
I told you. We're all good.
Emilio, Felipe and Dulce baked this cake from scratch. Just for you, for your special day.
Thank you guys. Really appreciate it.
Okay, let's take a look.
What?
Congratulations on your STD.
No.
Guys, what the fuck is this?